The 2015 Range Rover is a large luxury four-wheel drive sport utility vehicle with seating for 5 passengers and was produced by the British car automaker Land Rover and served as its flagship model. The Range Rover was launched back in 1970 and is now currently in its 4th generation. Today, I'm proud to present to you the 2015 Range Rover Supercharged, dressed beautifully in Santorini black. The 2015 Range Rover is the most advanced and luxurious model yet from Land Rover, combining modern styling and convenience with classic ruggedness and off-duty ability, not to mention its intelligent four-wheel drive system. Whether driving on or off-road, the full-time intelligent four-wheel drive system provides maximum grip with no fuss. Its 2-speed fully synchronized shift-on-the-move system lets you switch from low to high range gear at a speed of up to 37 miles per hour without having to stop the vehicle. The Range Rover also features an iconic design that offers a modern styling look inside out, with its 3 classic lines of the lower accent graphic, roofline, and continuous waistline. The Range Rover is unmistakable. The iconic solar hood is gently tapered and curved, while the use of the rear flush glazing and gloss black pillars accentuate the floating roof, enhancing its streamlined and elegant form. Up front, you quickly notice the front lighting that adds much of a thoughtful touch to the Range Rover. Innovative xenon lighting with LED signature daytime running lights blaze a clear trail in all weather conditions and add to the vehicle's dramatic presence and look. High-intensity retractable headlight washer and park assist are also integrated to the front bumper. LED fog lights also comes as a standard on this model. And a closer look at the Range Rover grille with Land Rover badging on it. There you can see the front surround camera located at the bottom, one on each side. And it also comes with intermittent rain sensing windshield wipers with adjustable speed. This particular model comes with 21-inch aluminum alloy wheels with 275/45 Goodyear tires. Behind the wheel is the set of power-assisted 4-wheel internally ventilated brake discs, as well as the brake caliper painted in black. And the specific Range Rover fender. Body colored side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal indicator. Side camera are also built into the side view mirror. On top, you see the huge panoramic sunroof that offers both the front and the rear passenger a sweeping skyward view. It can also be tilted up for ventilation or slide open for an open air feeling. Rear wheels are also 21 inches. Behind the rear wheel, you also find the internally ventilated brake disc as well as the silver brake caliper. It also comes with all-terrain anti-lock braking system, all-terrain dynamic stability control, road stability control, electronic brake force distribution, cornering brake and hill descent control, emergency brake assist, trailer stability assist, as well as hill start assist. To the back, you also notice the unique and stylish tail light with shiny black bezel. Tail light also comes with integrated LED brake light as well as LED turn signal light. Land Rover badging on the trunk lid. At the bottom is the black rear diffuser. Park assists are also integrated into the rear bumper. And there's the towing hitch with a maximum towing capacity of 7,716 pounds. And there you also have the light plug. Rear view camera is located next to the license plate, which will activate once the vehicle is in reverse. And on top is the roof spoiler with integrated third LED brake light. Okay, so here I have the remote with Range Rover lettering on each side of the remote. On the remote I have the lock, unlock, light on and off, trunk release, and panic button. Now to turn on the light, just press the light button once to turn on, and press it once again to turn off. Now let's open it up and check out the interior. So the car does come equipped with smart access key system. With the key in your pocket, just press the button located on the door handle once to lock. After a few seconds, place your hand behind the door handle to unlock. And the door does come with self-close automatic door on all 4 doors. If you fail to close it, it will close for you. The exterior color is known as Santorini Black, featuring two-tone interior color, with Ceres and ebony leather interior, with beautiful dark wood trims and silver aluminum trims throughout. Very modern looking interior. Now let's jump into the driver's seat, start it up and see how it sounds. So with your foot on the brake, push the start button to start. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2015 Range Rover Supercharged have to offer. Under the hood is a 5-liter supercharged V8 engine, permanent 4-wheel drive with 4-wheel electronic traction controlled, 8-speed and electronically controlled automatic transmission with steering wheel mounted paddle shifter, pushing out 510 horsepower and 461 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in just 5.1 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited at 140 mph in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is rated at 14 city, 19 highway, and 16 combined. Very powerful engine. Now let's shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior. Here is a look at the driver's side door panel with beautiful dark wood trims on it. All 4 windows are fully automatic, and there's the side view mirror control. It does feature folded option. Meridian surround sound speaker. There you have the door lock and unlock, and a storage compartment on the door panel. More storage compartment. Range Rover door sill, and there's the sport pedal. Both front seats does feature heated and ventilated options and offer 14-way power adjustable front seat, including 4-way power lumbar support. Driver seat's memory recall 3-star position for the seats, steering wheel, and outside mirror. The 4-spoke design steering wheel is fully wrapped in leather, with wood on top and bottom sections, and silver accenting trims in the middle. Looks and feel very nice. Featuring multi-function control side by side for your convenience, with control for audio, voice command, cruise control, as well as the most frequent used function in the vehicle. Steering wheel does feature heated options. Behind the steering wheel you have the up and down paddle shifter, so you can put it in manual mode for a more aggressive ride. And there you have the windshield wiper control. On the left you have the light control as well as the turn signal light control. And here's a closer look at the instrument cluster with a large screen in the middle. It is all digital. Now steering wheel does feature power tilt and telescopic steering column. To the left you have the driver side air vent with beautiful aluminum trims and wood trims. There you have the trunk release, lane keeper assist button, and the instrument control lighting. And here's a closer look at the dash. Now this particular model does come equipped with the Meridian surround sound system that comes as an upgraded option. The Meridian surround sound system features 17 loudspeakers, including a subwoofer, which pushes out 825 watts of beautifully balanced audio for both you and your passengers. Now looking at the center stack, first thing you notice is the dual air vent with beautiful wood trims in the middle, and the large touchscreen multimedia screen in the center. There you have the park assist on and off, the camera, surround camera, and you can choose between different views. Audio and video, navigation, and phone device.
Hallelujah, 'cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. 'Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. 'Cause
Very nice sound quality. Down here you have your audio controlled volume button and the climate controlled, as well as the heated seat and ventilated seat options. Both seats does have massaging functions. Very nice feature to have. And you can also turn on the rear seat heated option from the front. And there you have the full climate control here. Here you have the gearbox lever. You can just turn the knob around to move to reverse. And once you're in reverse, the multimedia camera will appear on the multimedia screen. And the side view mirror will also tilt down to help with a much easier backup. And it does comes with a guidance line. Turn it once again for neutral and once again for drive. And now just to put it into sport, all you have to do is push down the knob and turn over again for sport mode or standard mode. And that's when you can use the steering wheel mounted paddle shifter to change gear. And down here you have your different driving mode. You can just push it up and the knob will raise up, and then you can turn around to switch to different driving mode. There you have your muds and ruts, sand, rock. Have different driving mode so that you can tackle all terrain. There you have the selected neutral for the Range Rover. And here's the hill descent control. Alright, then you have traction on and off, and the adjustable suspension height. It is currently in the lock position, so you have to press it and hold it down for a second for it to unlock. And you can see that on the instrument showing that it is raising up or lower. And there you have the auto starting off, park and brake, very nice material on the center console. There you have the 2 cup holders and a 12-volt power plug. You have armrests for each front passenger seat, and here's the center storage compartment. And you do have a auxiliary plug, USB, and a 12-volt power plug. You also have a switch for the cool box to store your cold drinks and stuff like that if you want to keep it cool. And there you have the glove box compartment, one for the bottom, and you also have one on the upper portion, so plenty of storage in the Range Rover. And another look at the seat, very nice upholstery material. And on top here you have the light control. The light switch is kind of sensitive to your skin, so you just touch it to turn on the light. And you also have the automatic sunshade. The panoramic sunroof is consisted of 2 large glass panels. It can be tilted up for ventilation or slide open for an open air feeling. A very nice and convenient feature to have. Here you have the rear view mirror with integrated 3-button universal garage door opener, and a sun visor mirror with a card holder. Okay, now let's take a look at the rear seat. Rear door also comes with a self-close automatic door, and rear seats offer seating for 3. And as you can see, it is pretty decent space. And here's a look at the rear driver's side door panel with beautiful wood trims as well, and the Meridian surround sound speaker. Rear windows are also automatic. Storage compartment. Rear door sealed. Now let's jump into the rear seat and see how it is in the back. But as usual, let me show you the look to the front cabin. And again, very modern looking interior. And the look to the top. Very nice view. And down here you have the dual air vent. Also have heated rear seat and a full climate control for the back passenger. You also have 2 12-volt power plug for the back. Now here's the look of how much legroom I have left. I'm 5'8" and still have plenty of legroom left. There you have the seats pocket. Headrooms is very generous as well. And on top, on each side, you have the door handle as well as the light control. There you also have another hook. Very comfortable sitting in the back. Rear seats are well padded. And here you have the huge armrest with 2 cup holders and a storage compartment. Alright, let me show you how to fold down the rear seat. So rear seat, you can fold down into 60 or 40 split. And look to the back. Okay, now let's pop the trunk and see how much cargo space the trunk in the Range Rover offer. So the trunk in the Range Rover offers a very decent cargo space of 32.1 cubic feet with both of the rear seats up, and if you fold both of the rear seats down you get a maximum of 82.8 cubic feet of cargo space. And keep in mind that you can fold it down into two different configurations for your convenience. And there you also have the tailgate open down, just like the one those you found in the truck, for easier loading. And you have your spare tires and tool in there. 12-volt power plug. And this panel here can also be removed if you want, but it is used to cover your personal item. Very spacious trunk. One touch close. Gas cap is located on the passenger side. It does require premium unleaded fuel only and holds approximately 27.7 gallons of fuel. Overall, the 2015 Range Rover Supercharged is a full-size luxury crossover SUV with seating for 5 passengers. Rear seating offers enough room for 3 adults, and all 3 could fit comfortably in the back. The front cabins are very spacious as well, with great upholstery material, as well as nicely aluminum trims, as well as premium wood trims throughout. And another look to the back. Now let's jump into the front passenger seat and see how it is in the front. So front passenger seats are very spacious as well. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoyed the 2015 Range Rover Supercharged. Go ahead and leave me a comment letting me know how you guys like it. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future video review. And I'll see you guys next time. Okay, so for a bonus feature, this is going to be a short drive. I'm going to take it back to the original parking space to park it. At the same time, let you guys see how it is like sitting in the driver's seat. So sitting is very high in the Range Rover Supercharged. It is very smooth as well.